Normally, when we get an apartment, we pay somewhere in the region of 20 to 25 euros a night. That's quite standard pricing. Well, I think I may have just found the bargain of the year. Now, full disclosure, this is not the typical type of rental property that you would normally find on Airbnb or booking.com or whatever. This is somebody's house. This is where they normally live. But luckily for us, the person who normally lives here is away on a trip for 10 days, and they obviously thought it was a smart idea to just rent their house out. Which was perfect for us because that's exactly what we were looking for, somewhere to go for 10 days. So, you know, a lot of people maybe wouldn't do that because they would be worried somebody would go through their stuff or whatever, but fortunately for the lady who owns this place, she chose us, and we are quite good people. Oh, you can actually see me. Hello. Right, so as you can see, kitchen's perfect. We've actually got an oven this time. The last time I had an oven in an apartment was in Macedonia, so we can actually cook things other than chicken nuggets and microwave food for once. So that's going to be nice. Right, there you go. Wee kitchen, perfect place for doing a wee bit of work. As you can see, the stuff we bought at the shops, we've just sort of sat it there because the woman has her food in the cupboards, and I'm not going to eat her food, obviously. Sorry, not the biggest kitchen in the world, but then who needs that, right? It's got everything you could possibly want. The one rule was, do not go in her bedroom. That was the one piece of privacy she wants. So, we will not be showing you in there. I am not that much of an asshole. Tell you one thing though, it's a very nice living room. And it's perfect for us because not only has it got a dining table, but it's also got another wee workspace. Now, like I said, the bedroom is a one-bedroom apartment. We're not supposed to go in there. So, we will be sleeping on the couch, but not the way it's set just now. It's a pull-out couch. It pulls out to the full size here. So we need to move that table at some point. Just need to be careful I don't scratch the floor. I also believe, I haven't been out yet, there's a wee veranda. Oh, right, I've not got any shoes on like a moron because it's been pouring the rain, so I'm not going to go right. Oh, it's too dark. Tell you what I'll do, I'll check that tomorrow for you. I'll add that into the end of the video, how about that? Hope that's fireworks people are setting off outside. But aye, there you go. Now I'll go and show you this bathroom, because the bathroom's actually pretty nice as well. Tell you, I do enjoy a good shower. One thing I'm always very fussy about personally, I need an apartment to have a nice bathroom and a nice kitchen. Don't know why, that's just something I've always found very necessary. But there you go, got everything you could possibly want. Nice clean bathroom, really nice shower. I'm going to have to use that soon. I've been travelling all day and I'm clatty. And need to wash some stuff as well. Alright, well, there's not much more I need to say about that, is there? Looks like she left us a wee present as well. Probably should have done this before I put the camera in my hand, eh? What's in here? Oh, the mystery box. Try to untie that with one hand, it's very difficult. What we got? What we got? Oh, that's nice. What is that, like a wee jam? Is that a jam? Ah, like an apple jam thing. Nice. But scranning that on some toast later. Righty. The weather's a wee bit better. And it's daylight. But wow, this is this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I expected maybe a wee balcony, a wee veranda type thing, but no. Oh wow, you could have a barbecue out here, this would be great. Some nice flowers planted in the better weather. Oh, I'm telling you, this is a nice wee flat. Right, well, that's probably the shortest video I have ever done and will ever do, but I just kind of needed to show people this absolute bargain that we managed to find for €11 a night. Can you believe that? It's like half what we normally pay nearly. Ooh, mind-boggling. But anyway, if you look hard enough, you can find a bargain. That's the moral of this story. And I'm away for that shower because I've been travelling all day and I'm absolutely barking, so see you later.